Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting a clean, runnable project. Install NET SDK 7 or later and Visual Studio with the Maui workload. This provides templates and device tooling. Once done, enable your Android emulator or connect iOS tools and set up the Windows target if you plan to run on multiple platforms. Then create the project with .NET New Maui and My App and open the solution in Visual Studio. This gives you a cross-platform shell to modify, run, and iterate quickly. You now build the app surface and behavior. Design responsive layouts in main page. XAML using grid or stack layout so elements adapt to different screens. Next, implement logic, either simple code behind for small features or an MVVM pattern for maintainable apps. Bind properties and commands, and implement iNotify property changed so UI updates flow automatically. Also add platform-specific services through interfaces or partial classes when needed. You finish by deploying and validating. Choose the platform startup project, run on an emulator or device, and watch the debugger for exceptions and logs. Make sure to test orientations, permissions, and network conditions, and profile resource use to catch slow rendering or memory leaks. If something breaks, clean and rebuild first, reconcile NuGet package versions, update your SDKs, and inspect Android manifest or info. List for missing permissions. This sequence solves most platform and dependency issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.